Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to apply styles in HTML page. There are three different ways to applying styles in HTML: inline style, internal style and external style. When we write inline style, we write the CSS in the HTML file directly inside an element tag using style attribute. Let's see the live example. Open Visual Studio Code. If you don't have an Visual Studio Code, head over to code.visualstudio.com and download the latest software. Then open Visual Studio Code. Let's create a new file and save this file in desired location. I am going to save this in my desktop folder. You can create any folder and save the file in index.html. This is the shortcut for creating the structure of HTML document. Just add one exclamatory symbol, then tab. See, the structure of HTML is appeared. Install Visual Studio Code. These shortcuts automatically will work. If it is not work, you just go to this extension and search for Emmet plugin. Once you install the Emmet plugin, it will work properly. Alright, let's add a title. Applying styles. Save the file. Now I am going to run the file. In desktop folder, I created the index.html. Right click, open with Google Chrome. Always use Google Chrome browser. It is user friendly and developer tools are there. Coming section I will explain about this developer tool. We run the file applying styles as a title here. Now we are going to applying styles as an inline method. Okay. Here body attribute style is an attribute style style equal to double quotation background light blue. Save the file and refresh the browser. See, whatever you save, it will work. Red, blue, I am going to add yellow. This is the inline style. See, style is an attribute, background is a property, and after the colon, this is an value. Okay, here also you can, in this Visual Studio Code, you can easily add the color like this. See, automatically it will change. It is very helpful to change the color and see purple. Can easily do whatever. Save the file, refresh it, see, and you can also write the hexadecimal code also. Save, see, and after the value, this semicolon is not mandatory when we use only one CSS rule. If we use multiple CSS rule, only this semicolon is necessary. See, I remove this, it will work. I will give another example so you can easily understand. H1, see, automatically the close also automatically happen because of the emmet. Okay, let's give text as applying styles in HTML. Save the file See, okay. Now I am going to change the color of this text. Same as style is an attribute, style equal to color property after colon value red. Refresh. See, it is working. Now I am going to add another CSS rule as underline. Okay, so that you can understand why the semicolon is important. When we add another CSS rule, I am adding the semicolon after I add another CSS rule. Text hyphen decoration. This is the CSS we are using for underline, and the value is underline. Save the file and refresh the browser. See, underline is come. Another style background of this HTML element. Semicolon background blue. Save the file and refresh the browser. See, blue. And we can write lot of CSS in this h1 element. By after the semicolon we can add multiples of CSS.